Spring brings flowers so full of cheer, a blooming world both far and near. We scatter seeds and watch them sprout, the earth renews without a doubt. Summer sunshine on our face, long days of joy in open space. The sky ablaze with golden hue, a season fresh and always new. Feel the bloom and let it show, life unfolds in a steady flow. Every petal tells a tale, in this world we'll never fail. Autumn whispers soft and slow, leaves ignite in amber glow. The crisp air sings a wistful song, it lures us in where we belong. Through all these cycles, time and chance, we learn to grow, we learn to dance. Each season hums its mighty tune, a gift of life from sun to moon. Feel the bloom and let it show, life unfolds in a steady flow. Every petal tells a tale, in this world we'll never fail.